Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm Alexis if you are new here, and if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much. I wanted to do a little get ready with me because I'm gonna take you guys along with me to IKEA, and then I want to take Chance to the beach. So I'm gonna take you guys through what I did this morning to get ready, but first I wanted to talk to you guys about this really awesome company called Dossier, and they are partnering up with me for this video, so thank you so much, Dossier. They are a really cool fragrance company that offers affordable options to some of the most popular designer scents. Their scents are made in France. They are super high quality, vegan, cruelty-free, and clean ingredients. In the last year and a half, I went on a huge search for a new fragrance. I haven't had one since like high school, and I have spent hours looking up reviews, comparing prices, going in person to test them out, try to wear them for the day, and it has been a very long and very tedious, unsuccessful process. I really wish I knew about Dossier back then because their process just seems so easy and streamlined, and it's delivered right to you. On their website, you can take a scent quiz. I got aquatic coconut as the result, which is inspired by Maison Margiela's replica beach walk, which retails for about $135. At the time, aquatic coconut was sold out, so I went with another favorite that I was eyeing on the website. It is called Floriental Vanilla. Floriental Vanilla mimics the scent of YSL's Black Opium, which retails for about $100, and this entire bottle is $29. It's more of a warm floral with notes of pink pepper, pear, orange blossom, vanilla, and coffee. It wears super nicely all day, and wearing a perfume again really makes me feel like I have my life a little more together. If you're interested in trying out Dossier for yourself, you can use my code 10ALEXISH at checkout for 10% off. I'll also have that linked down below. Your order is always 100% risk-free with free returns and exchanges if you are not fully in love with what you picked out. They're always adding new scents to their collection, so I'm very confident that you would find something that you also love.
They use a completely different area instead of the background, and I wonder if that's from late in the game, maybe, I don't know, maybe something from like after the final paradise or first.
actually the next day. As you saw going into IKEA, the weather was super pretty, blue skies, and then Florida being Florida, by the time I left, it was raining so hard, and unfortunately, I couldn't make it to the beach anymore. I'm going today instead. I'll show you guys what I'm packing in my little beach bag, and then we can head out. So here is what I'm wearing today. My swimsuit is from Kulani Kinis. It is the vintage bottoms and I think constructed top. I'll have it linked down below, and then just pairing that with some white shorts. And then over here in the beach bag, I just have a little Set Active tank top. It's just really easy to throw on top of a swimsuit. And then I have my sunscreen, of course, and then for Chance I have his little water bowl. I figured out in Richmond that he only really likes drinking out of glass bowls. He hates his little collapsible bowl and is not a fan of plastic bowls either. So he gets that. Then I'm just gonna grab a towel and can get Chance in the car. Are you ready for the beach? All right. Love, you have to stay.